The maker community is really strong in Baltimore.
People are extremely collaborative and welcoming.
I want our community to love and appreciate what we do.
There's all kinds of fun classes and workshop spaces.
A lot of people come into Baltimore for the weekend.
They want high quality, they want an interesting story, they want a new experience that's fun they can share with other people.
I love getting to meet new people, especially when I'm teaching workshops. It's fun to get to know people because when you're paper cutting, it's kind of a social activity.
Today we made skateboards. I'm always surprised at what people do and even inspired by it.
We wanted people to learn how to make their own brittle bark and make it according to your taste and what you like.
We'd take people through about a 30-minute tour of how we make the whiskey, and then it ends up with about a 20-minute tasting as well, which is kind of the highlight.
People are the best part of Baltimore.
Everything is made here with love.